Welcome to the next lesson. This lesson is how to identify Arabic letters at the beginning, how it looks like at the beginning and the middle and in the end. This is Alif. Whenever you are seeing Alif starting a word in Arabic, it stands as this. So in the middle, it looks like this. Such as from here, this Rahman, this is Alif here. This is how it looks like. So, and at the end, this is how it looks like. So whenever you see, it can join here at the middle and in the end. It can only join in the middle and in the end. So, or the Alif should stand on its own. There are sometimes it stands on its own to show that it is Alif. And in the end, it appears as this. So we have Ba. This is Ba. Then this is how Ba looks like in the beginning, because it's joining another letter. So, and the sign of Ba will make you to identify that this is Ba. So this is how it looks like in the middle. It is joining another letter in the middle and in the end. Or in the hand. And it also looks like this in the hand. Sorry. It looks like this in the hand. So, and if it is with Maddu at the end, it will have it as this. That Alif Maddu at the end. This is how it looks like. Same thing as what? As Ta in the beginning, in the middle, and in the end. Same thing as Tha. So if you had a dot now, it makes it Tha. And then at the end of Ta, that is only applicable to Ta. Because we have what we know as open Ta and closed Ta, which is Ta al-Maftu and Ta al-Marbut. So this is the closed Ta. This is how it looks like. So you can see Ta at the end of Arabic, at the end as this. Ta, closed Ta. Then we have same thing as Tha, applicable to Tha, that's it. Jim. So, Jim in the beginning, in the middle, and in the end. Same thing applicable to Ha. So, without the dot, it is Ha. So, with a dot at the top is Ha. So, same thing applicable to Ha. Then Dal, this is how it looks like. In the beginning, in the middle, it can join from the back, and it can also join from the back at the end. So, applicable to Ra. It stands at the beginning, at the middle, and the end. Sin. It looks like this at the beginning. It's joining with another letter. In the middle, it looks like this, and then it looks like this. Same thing applicable to what? Shin. So we have sword, dot, top, sword at the beginning, sword at the middle, and the sword and the end. Then same thing applicable to dot, with one dot up. You can see the dot. So that is that. We have to at the beginning, to at the middle, and to at the end. Same thing applicable to zo, with one dot up, one dot up, one dot up. Then we have ain in the middle, in the beginning, in the middle, and in the end. You can see the slight changes there. This is ain in the beginning, ain in the middle, and ain in the end. Same thing applicable to gain, one dot up, one dot up, one dot up. So we have Fa. So Fa, this is how it looks like in the beginning, when it's in the middle with one dot, and then in the end with one dot. There's something applicable to Qaf. That is that. Then Kaf. This is how Kaf looks like at the beginning, Kaf in the middle, and Kaf at the end. Then Lam. Then Mim at the beginning, Mim in the middle, and Mim at the end. Then we have Noon. Noon looks like the shape of Ba and Ta. But in the middle, it looks as the same. And at the end, it's a bit change, a bit different, rather. So that's it. Wa. Same thing. Then we have Ha. Ha at the middle, and then Ha at the end. This is Ha looks like at the end. Only if it is with what? With Maddu, like this. Aha. but at the end it looks like this, just like Tawul Marbut but without dots. Tawul Marbut here with 2 dots. Then we have ya in the beginning, ya in the middle, and ya in the end. So that is that on how we can identify Arabic letters, how it looks like in the beginning, in the middle, and in the end. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.